Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover uninstalled programs in Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do, simply come over into your search option and going to search for create restore point. After that you will get this option. If you click on that, this Windows will be pops up. After that, here you will get option called system restore. If you click on that, then system restore files and settings. If you click on next right now, you will get these two option over here. Basically it's in time and date where you can restore it from which time and which date. So I will going to select this one. It's looking very updated. So if I click on next and just click on finish, it will automatically restore my apps that are installed before 2020 21 11 2024. So if I click on finish, it will automatically restore. So yeah, this is how you can recover uninstalled programs and apps on Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.